Good morning students, welcome to my channel Venkat Academy. Students, today we should learn one more important practical, that is dispersion and scattering of light. Already last class we were discussing about what is the impact of dispersion of light. So in the dispersion, main example for what is meant by rainbow formation. You know very well how to rainbow is formed. So when the particle means when the white light is falls on any prism type of material, automatically it splits into 7 component colors. Means white light is falls on any prism material, it splits into 7 component colors. That is called dispersion of light. So already I explained last time how the rainbow colors are formed. So today I can do the practically how the rainbow is formed. Okay, first of all, how to make the rainbow colors in the classroom. Okay, so let's come. We have to do the practical on by using of plane mirror and water. Okay, let's go. Yes, see here, this is the plane mirror and this is the water. You should keep that plane mirror half of the immersed water. Now, when white light is falls on the water, so where the water and mirror both are touches, that place is act like a prism. So when the white light falls on the place, automatically it splits into 7 component colors. White light is nothing but combination of 7 colors. When the white light falls on the mirror, automatically splits into 7 component colors. Automatically see here that image means you know very well the red color have more wavelength compared to blue color. So when the falls on that plane mirror, automatically splits the white color light and form the image on the screen. See here. So that white light is falls on that particular place where the water and the mirror both are touches. That place act like a prism. That white light, see here. So here that is the spectrum colors. This is spectrum colors. When that spectrum colors, see here, the top of the rainbow colors forms red color here. So this is a red color. After orange, yellow means the picture colors are formed. Means violet, indigo, blue, green, orange, red. Means the 7 component colors formed like this. So means that white light it falls on that splits in 7 component colors. Then automatically form one spectrum colors. Spectrum colors means see here now it is very clear red, orange, that all colors are formed. This is called by using of plane mirror how to make rainbow colors in a classroom. Okay, that is very important. See here, this is the rainbow colors. This is the red, orange. Okay, in down that white light is there. The violet color is mostly deviated. Why? Because that has less wavelength and more frequency. That's why the violet color deviates more compared to red color. So the red color is deviate less and also it has more wavelength. That's why it is a less deviate and more wavelength is there. That's why that rainbow colors mostly the top of the rainbow is red and bottom of the rainbow colors is violet color is there. Okay, this is the very important and how to make rainbow colors in classroom. Okay, next we have to do that another practical. Yes, so this is the prism. So in the prism, when the white light is falls on the prism, white light, especially in the particular angle, automatically what happens? The white light is falls on the one surface of the prism. Automatically splits that white light splits into 7 component colors. Automatically form what happens? That image form a particular image. Once you see the image here, so that is the image. Means the red color is deviate less and the violet color deviates more. Okay. So what is the main cause here? That is due to dispersion of light. What is that? Dispersion of light. Okay. So means that is the combination of colors are there. The combination of colors is nothing but spectrum of light. What is that? Spectrum of light. So the same 7 colors again we have to go send to the recombination. Means that is the reverse of the prism. We have to send the same 7 colors of light. Again what happened? The white light is coming. So that is called recombination of prism. Yes. See here, this is the eye model. So already last time we had discussing about what is the eye, what is the importance of eye parts. See here, what are the important parts in the eye model. So this is a spherical shape. Okay. So what is the use of eye? Human eye. Human eye you can enable to see all the objects. Okay. Yes. See here, what are the important parts here. So you can remove one by one part here. Yes. See, this is the eyeball. See, this is the first part is there. The first part is this is the iris. The white color is there. The white color portion is nothing but cornea. Okay. So the cornea is we have to enter the light inside the human eye. So that is the main part of cornea. This is the cornea, and this is the iris. Iris is nothing but color of the eye. That iris only to enter the light into the human eye. And iris, after the second part is there, that is the pupil. Pupil, this is the pupil. So the pupil is, you have to increase or decrease size of the eye depend upon the intensity of light. Okay, that is the pupil. Next to inside the pupil, this is the lens. So this is the lens. So this is the lens. Okay, this is the lens. So this is what type of lens? This is the biconvex lens. Okay, this is the inside the part of eyeball. Okay, the middle some liquid is there. The liquid is nothing but vitreous humor, and middle is there. So here inside is there, that is the aqueous humor, and behind that you have to see some parts. So that is, this one is there. This is the one of the part is there, that is the retina is there, and this 12th one is there. This one is the optical nerve. What is this? Optical nerve. And this one is vitreous humor. So part is the vitreous humor, and this one is there. This is the blind spot. What is this? Blind spot. This is the nerves. Okay, means when the light rays falls on the first cornea, after iris, after pupil, after send the light into convex lens. After convex lens, the light ray passes through the vitreous humor. After finally it reaches to retina. Where it is? Retina. After retina, sent to the optical nerve. Okay, this optical nerve to send the mechanical waves, means electrical signals. That electrical signals sent to the brain. Okay, this is the working and model of human eye. Yes, now scattering of light. What is meant by scattering of light? In the scattering of light practical, you have to discussing about, should take that 2 beakers with water and the screen. So what you mean by scattering means, this is the light. Okay, this light is falls on the, here some particles are there. Okay, this particle, when the light touches the particles, the size of the particles is less than the wavelength of light. That's why we can't see the scattering of light. Means that when the particles, when the light ray touches the more size of the particles, like dust particles or any smoke particles, so automatically what happens? It's scattering occurs. Scattering means the direction of light rays is changes. So once you see here, when the falls on this is a beaker A and beaker B. This is a screen. So when the light ray falls on the beaker A and beaker B, this 2 is homogeneous medium. Okay, this means true solution. Okay, see, when the light rays falls on the beaker A, means you can't see the path of light ray here, but the light ray travels the first beaker A, after again see here in the beaker B also. So in the 2 beakers, there is no any scattering of light. That's why we can't observe any path of light ray inside the beaker. Now you have to take one beaker heterogeneous medium, means you can add any additional particles. Means that the beaker B, we have to adding some additional particles like chalk piece powder in dust particles. Okay, I am mixing that dust particles here. Okay, this is the dust particles. So when I am adding the dust particles, you have to see here. Again you have to incident the light ray. See, I think you observe here path of light ray here inside. Okay, means that here scattering is occurs. See, you have to observe here scattering of light. Means when the light ray falls on that, any like scattering of colors. See here, when the light ray touches the particles, here inside the particles are there, that particle touches, again scattering is occurs. That's why you can see the path of light ray. Again what happens? Finally the colors is falls on the screen here. Okay, the colors is falls on the screen. See here, the colors also falls on the screen. This is the color. Okay, that is the scattering of light. Okay. Okay students, what we are discussing today? We are discussing about how the prism produces the component of colors by using of the plane mirror and the prism also we discussed. And also we have to observe that how the model of eyeball, what are the parts of eyeball and what are the importance of eyeball also we discussed. And also on final one we have to discuss about what is scattering of light. Okay, by practical. Next class you have to do some the extra some practicals also. Until keep smiling, thank you.